SoundHound AI announced that at NVIDIA GTC 2026, it will showcase what it describes as the world's first multimodal, multilingual agentic plus AI platform running entirely on edge devices. The technology will be demonstrated at the company's booth during the conference and is designed primarily for automotive OEMs seeking advanced AI capabilities without relying on cloud connectivity. The new platform enables vehicles to process AI tasks locally within the vehicle's architecture, rather than sending requests to remote servers. By moving the entire agentic AI stack to the edge, the system allows a vehicle to see, hear, and reason in real time, enabling more advanced interaction than traditional voice assistants. The demonstration will feature 3 key capabilities. First, SoundHound's Agentic Plus platform allows developers and automakers to build and deploy AI agents directly on the vehicle using multiple communication protocols, including MCP and A2A. These agents can work together within a single interface to handle tasks such as controlling vehicle functions, providing navigation assistance, and answering vehicle-related questions without accessing a remote server. Second, the system integrates voice AI running on the edge in collaboration with NVIDIA, using the NVIDIA Drive AGX Orin platform to power in-vehicle generative AI. This allows drivers to interact with a sophisticated conversational assistant even in locations with no network coverage. Third, SoundHound will demonstrate, quote, multimodal vision AI, integrated into the conversational experience, enabling vehicles to visually interpret their surroundings. This feature allows the system to recognize landmarks, understand environmental context, or respond to driver gestures while maintaining secure offline operation. CEO Kevin Mohajer described the launch as a major advancement in agentic AI technology. He said the platform enables OEMs to deploy intelligent agents that can perceive and interact with the world around them while maintaining the speed and privacy benefits of edge computing. The announcement comes as SoundHound continues to expand its AI offerings across multiple industries like automotive, retail, healthcare, financial services, telecommunications, and restaurants. At the conference, attendees can interact directly with the technology, offering automakers and developers a first-hand look at how next-generation in-vehicle AI assistants may function without reliance on the cloud. Unfortunately, keeping up with stock prices necessitates being online, so log on to TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.